Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. One of the best deals on Lake Wedowee with this completely renovated waterfront home. The open floor plan invites you to enjoy the lake life. The kitchen has granite countertops with an eat-in bar that is open to the family room. The family room has a rock fireplace, hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings with double doors that lead to a covered deck that overlooks the lake. There is a half bath and laundry, the foyer for convenience. The spacious master bedroom on the main level offers a cozy fireplace and awesome views of the lake. The master bathroom is at the top of upgrades with separate vanities, freestanding cast iron bathtub with shower. The terrace level offers 2 kids' bunk rooms, 2 nice-sized bedrooms and a full bath. Your family and friends will love the family room. The terrace level deck offers easy access to a 300 pounds weight limit tram system and new steps to the floating dock and jet ski port. This home would make a great VRBO that is being sold mostly furnished.